So hi everyone, आज है 16 तारीख मई का महीना and शुक्रवार का दिन closing session of the week. So based on today's market, if you look at Nifty, Nifty has opened pretty flat and after that it has taken support from the 25,000 point, which is very unnatural or you can say very obvious support. So on the basis of that, we are not going to take any kind of trade today because where market has opened right now and where it has taken support, this would be very obvious point for any kind of random buyer to buy into the market because of the previous day trend. So if a good opportunity will come into the selling side, which will be here only on the day high breakout of the call option and of the spot also on the day high breakout, that will be the point of entry. But we missed that, so we are not going to take any kind of trade today. Just for observation, I'll be putting look on the put option also. The low has been broken down. After that, it's showing a little bit of bullish momentum. Here, I'll be getting close to say 30 to 40 points easily, but we missed that, so it will be not an issue for us to just sit and watch the market and let it run. We'll be not taking any kind of trade today. Let's see once a good opportunity comes, once the 25,000 breakdown happens properly, then we can plan something. But till that point, we'll be not punching the orders, right? So let's see. देखो Bank Nifty, if I tell about Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty has also broken down the day low after showing some sort of bullishness. And expectation is Bank Nifty should break down the 200 also because it is very unlikely for the Bank Nifty to go from taking support, taking 55,200 as a support. So let's see. I think this will gonna not sustain in the next 5 minutes. You will get to know that cannot sustain them. But we need to look what best possible scenario could be is I may say continuation of this kind of move. And after the continuation, if the reversal happens, then that is going to be the best possible move. So this is what I am expecting also. Bank Nifty has broken down 200, coming to break down 200. But let's see, here I am finding opportunity. So let me log in into those Zerodha. Also, there is one thing that makes me keep staying away from today's market is the prices of premiums. They are a little bit high because of the first trading session of the entire expiry. So that's why they are high. But it's not necessary to trade on the high premiums also, right? If you are not getting, I am planning this high breakout trade, but it got missed from me. Let's see if the low breakdown happens, then also we can see something. But till that point, let me go through the stocks. Let's see there will be any opportunity in stocks or not. Because we are pretty late into the market, that's why I missed some sort of opportunities. Kind of mixed only. If you look at this, few I think negative stocks are higher than positive. So let me go through that first. So in Bharti Airtel, there is a gap down. After that, gap down sustenance is what visible right now, but that is very likely to not sustain. We need to look at that. And IndusInd Bank again gap down because of the news and all. So we need to not need to touch that. So SBI looks good. SBI has again shown gap down and shown rejection. Look, there is a support in SBI at 795. So if that support gets sustained, we can see a good chunk of momentum, but it is showing a clear support kind of pattern here. So I think breakdown will be expecting breakdown will not be a problem for us. We can see 790 at the moment. So in SBI there is a selling side of trade, which is I think most probably 5 EMA based also. Uh, Not exactly. But yes, there could be a selling side of possibility because market is taking support exactly from the previous day low. So that's why Infosys has also. I think there is a some sort of news in IT sector, but I need to verify that. I am not sure about it. Let's have a look on the bullish ones also. So internal stock is now giving breakout after attracting a good chunk of sellers yesterday on getting registered from 245. So basically, Eicher Motors is been into the news for some days. So here it might touch the 5600 first. After that, there could be any plan in this one. So 5 EMA got activated in NTPC, and on that basis, let me plot the short tool here. Let's see how this goes because this is a reversal kind of trade, and reversal 5 EMAs do work good, but on the initial basis, it sometimes traps. So let's see. I will be updating you how this goes. There is clearly setups activating in 5 a.m. So you should be, but going against the trend is also quite dangerous at some time. So let's see the index right now. Put options are already have increased and call options are not going anywhere. That means today is going to be a sideways market because market is taking support exactly after breaking down the 25,000. Also premiums are quite high. So that is what making me think about. Look, possibility would be the momentum could sustain from here because it has trapped already the sellers by doing this, by breaking the lows. So here possibility would be the momentum could there. But already premiums are very high, so risking, no doubt, risk would be taken. But I am not expecting today a trending market. So that's why staying away is anyway a good option. This is the kind of rejection that happens when market has the look, premiums are not only delta, right? So there is other factors that affect the premium. So other than delta, no doubt market is moving into our direction. Delta is positive in the option buying, but you should be thinking about theta also, right? If the theta is against you, that means whenever there is a little bit of slow buying happens, you will be getting affected by that by adjusting to these kind of retracements. This has happened because of the theta effect. No doubt delta will be in your direction, but that is something that you need to know in option buying. Also, there is an effect of gamma, which says that if the delta does not move very fast, then the gamma will be less. And when the gamma will be less, option sellers will be placing the stop losses above, and they will be placing low stop losses. Rather, in a situation where gammas are high, they will be placing a high stop loss just to save their positions from not getting liquidated. So that's why today I am expecting a sideways market. So let's see how market behaves today. Anything other than what I have discussed right now, I'll be updating you. So let's see how market behaves. So here the 5 minute candle is very insanely big, and in that particular range. Market is hovering right now. I'll be expecting a range breakout from this. Let's see where the range gets breakdown or breakout. And then according to that, we can plan something in Nifty. But more probably, what kind of candle market made on this point, the only trade could possible is on the day high breakout, that is the trap setup. So on the basis of that only, we'll be going into the trade. But other than that, I don't think there could be any opportunity for the entire day. I'll be looking for the stocks to any kind of opportunity. So let's see, I will be updating you if I get any good setup. So there is a good opportunity in SBIN and for which I am looking to go into. So let's see. It will be good if I get the price of 795 for I think how much 340 quantities. Already missed I think. Okay. Still I place the order. Just if I in case getting the price then it will be good for a trend continuation trade. So let's see if I'm getting that or not. I should little bit modify it to just little above 795 just because people would be placing 795 as a limit price more often. There could be one retracement possible. This one is a clear support and market which market has broken down first. Also there is a round number of 795, but I don't think I am getting the price right now. So no worries, let's not take the trade. Because if look in my stock trading procedure, if I am not getting the price instantly, that means there is a kind of liquidity, uh, zero liquidity area where I have placed the limit order. So that's why I don't want to get into trouble by placing the order by regretting without getting the price, something like that. So I don't want that. That's why I have it, removed. So for the sake of uh, curiosity, I am just placing the long tool here just to observe how the market behaves here. Definitely, if I'll be placing the trade, I'll be definitely waiting for at least 1:2 because it is a soft trade. Also, have a look at NTPC on which the trade is running. So I think I have placed in this. So it has gone fair enough, close to 1:1. It has gone, and after that it is reversing quite. But uh, let's see, as per trend, it is good. But as per our pioneer setup, it is reversing right now. As I told you, SBIN has done a blast. Just enjoy the blast and let me know if you got this trade. So probably people would be selling over the red candle, and on top of that, we have taken the trade against them. So this is a great trade. Let's see if it works or not.
So this is how the SBI trade goes. यहाँ पर stop loss hit हो चुका है. I think probably the market is negative in SBI because of the news and all. That's why the momentum did not sustain there, and after that stop loss hit हो गया. And if you look at NTPC, तो NTPC में target running है अभी 1:2 से ज़्यादा ही मिल रहा है. But we have booked in another account which is in शून्य, एंड इन दैट अकाउंट पर्टिकुलर, तो उसमें हमें टारगेट मिल चुका है एनटीपीसी में, विच इज 1:2 इफ आई say to be precise, ठीक है. तो today is a good day, but as I haven't placed any kind of FNO order, as you can see, this is the position of today. So because there is no as such good market, if you look at Nifty also, Nifty has been in the in particular this 100 points of reach from the starting of the day only, and it will still over in this particular range only. So I am not interested in this kind of market, wasting my money here. So no doubt option selling would be very great if I do in this kind of scenarios, but no doubt this is not something that I am habitual of. I will be learning this also, but this is what today's market looks like. So thank you for watching. If you are getting any kind of value, make sure you are subscribing to this channel.